Good morning everyone. Welcome to RKMS Academy channel. So those who are seeing first time my video, please subscribe my channel. So today I am going to explain about union of two sets A and B. See here, union of two sets A and B. Generally it is denoted by A union B. Union of two sets is denoted by A union B. So this symbol is used to denote union. This is called union. See here, the definition for the union of two sets A and B is which is a set contains the elements which are either in A or B. Which are either A or B. For example, see here, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we are finding A union B. A union B means, see here, this is some example. Now solution, see here, A union B. A union B means A is together with B. A is together with B. See here, this is set of 1, 2, 3, 4 union. Next B set 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That means A is together with B. That means we have to write down all the elements of A and B. That is, write down all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. A is together with B. Next 2, 4, 6, 8. So finally this can be written as, so repeated elements we have to write down only one time 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So this is the final set, this is the answer. A union B is equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So finally what we can conclude the definition, A union B is a set which contains the elements which are either in A or B. So A union B is a set which are in A or B. That means see here 1. So in this set the first element is 1. 1 is in A set, 2 is in A set, 3 is in A set, 4 is in A set and now 6 is in B set, 8 is in B set. That means we can conclude that A union B is a set which contains the elements which are either in A or B. That is the definition for the A union B, and for finding the solution of A union B means we have to write down all the elements of A and B. So finally A is together with B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have to write down only one time, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. This is the answer for A union B. That means what we can write the definition, simply we can write the definition is A union B is a set. A union B is a set which contains the elements either in A or B. Either in A or B. This is the final definition for the A union B. A union B means A union B is a set which contains the elements either in A or B. So finally we can write one more set builder form of A union B. See here, set builder form of A union B means X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the set builder form of A union B. Why? Because see here, so which contains the elements X and which are either in A set or B set. This is the A union B. Next, see the Venn diagram of A union B. See here, Venn diagram of A union B. See here, Venn diagram of A union B. So this Venn diagram is also called Euler's diagram. So Venn diagram, see Venn diagram. So generally sets are represented by the curves, and this is A set and this is B set. This is A and this is B, and this Venn diagrams are represented by rectangles, and this is universal set. So why it is called universal set means all the sets are under the consideration of the universal set. So A union B. So the Venn diagram of A union B means A is together with B. That means we have to share the part of A and B, total A and B part. This is A union B. Finally we can conclude the answer. A union B is equal to this total shaded part. This is called A union B. This shaded part is called A union B. And see one more example for A union B. See here, example 2. See here, let me take A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A union B. Find A union B. Find A union B. See the solution. See now solution A union B. So A union B means directly I am writing A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B set 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write down A is together with the total elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer for A union B. But this we have to represent by union of Venn diagram. This we can represent by using Venn diagram. See here. This is A set, this is B set, A set, B set. What are the common elements in this? Here 3, 4, 5 are the common. So let you take common part is 3, 4, 5. And remaining elements in the A set is 3, 4, 5 are common. Remaining elements are 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Next in the B set 3, 4, 5, 6. Already this portion is B set. Already we written 3, 4, 5 and remaining element is 6. So this part is common part and this is only A part. That means actually this is total part is called A set. This is A set and this is B set. This is common part. This is only B part. This is only A part. This is the A union B, introduction of A union B. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this my video.